Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Brady.
Yeah, I'm Bradley.
Yeah, same difference.
What's up? It's Andre.
Okay, that's Andre. He's very, very smart and very intelligent.
He's very respected.
Yes, very respected.
I am very respected.
Well, I put that ceiling fan in his garage because it was hot, really hot in here. What do y'all
Hotter
think?
than a
He installed
plunge
this
shit.
in like 5 minutes, and it was on and working.
Well, we're not trying to sell anything, but okay.
No, this is car salesmanship. Andre,
This
give your
was
pitch.
ridiculous.
So fucking easy. I didn't have to lift a finger. All I had to do was hire this white kid, and he did it for me.
Yeah, but it blows a good amount of air, and we're like staying cool.
Unlike my ex-girlfriend.
That was such a stupid joke.
All right, well, it's plugged into that outlet there, so it's pretty easy. It's a simple install. And Andre, you're making a studio, right?
Yeah, I'm making a studio right there.
Fuck yeah.
I have like a microphone in here. I might make the studio right here. Because I'm going to have a microphone and I'm just going to rap right here like.
But it's a lot nicer now. We might put AC in here at some point, but we're not sure. So
I'm not sure about that though.
yeah, but at least the fan makes it
This
somewhat.
might be enough.
Yeah, this might be enough, but it's a lot quieter than like a desk fan. Anyway, so all right, bye guys.
Bye.
See ya.